Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150 between year 2009 and year 2014, that generation guys. If you need to find where the fuse for the constant vacuum hub lock is located, stay with us. We'll explain guys that in this video today. We'll talk why it's super important to test fuses and where you can buy cheap fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses, so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our two supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So what we have specifically here guys, you can see 2012 F-150, but even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. We're going to open the hood on your F-150, and under the hood, right above the radiator, is the engine fuse box. That fuse box right here. That's how you're going to face it when you open it on your F-150. Now, before we continue, let me tell you why it's super important to test fuses and relays now, and how to do that. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, you can see you have those J-case fuses, relays, the microblade fuses. Those could be really expensive to the parts store. We will put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, usually with a really quick shipping as well. The constant vacuum hub lock fuse will be in that row right here guys, okay, and you start from the very left, 1, 2, 3, 4. That fuse is known as fuse number F29. That 10M fuse in our case, that's the one, okay, that we need to check. Hopefully the video guys will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.